This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and we have Patricia here with us today. And Patricia has been missing in action for a couple of weeks. She's been on the road with Willie, see? So, anyway, she's been working a lot and her feet are hurting her today. So I'm going to show you how we do some foot adjustments as well. But first we're going to check her posture. Let's go flex forward and backwards. And neutral. Yep. Okay. So you can see how she's got some forward head posture and translation over to the right. You can see that, can't you, Joseph?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Pelvis is pretty centered up, though. Not rotated as badly either. She must be starting to try to sleep on your back a little bit more. Now, she also gets some intermittent issues with hiatal hernia, comes and goes, and she's got quite a bit of acid reflux today, a 7 on a 1 to 10 scale. So we'll show you how we're treating that today too. Okay. Pat, I'm going to bring you over here and decompress you today. I'm going to have you, I know, we'll do it nice and easy for you. I'm going to have you, see she's got, looking from the side, you know, turn sideways for a second. You can see how she's getting this kyphosis in here. Which is a result of forward head posture over the time. And I think, how long have you been working at your job?
8 years.
8 years of doing that all the time, right? Okay, let's lay you on your back with your rear end right there for me. And slide down this way just a little bit. There, perfect. So I'm going to pin her pelvic bones in. Go ahead and slide down a little bit more. There you go. A little bit more even. Right there. See, I want these right on top of your hips, and it's going to feel really tight too. There we go. I know. Yeah, really lay flat. Okay, so let me see if you turn on. There. Okay. Ever since our deluge all last week, our electricity's off and on. And that is why we didn't shoot any videos last week, because we weren't here. Yep, she's kicking beforehand. Let's make sure she does afterwards. Okay, now keep your teeth together for me, hon. Nice and easy. Just breathe normal. There it is. Now you should have felt that all the way down. Did you?
Yes.
Okay, take some deep breaths. Yeah, we gotta show them you're still kicking. There you go. Okay? Take some deep breaths. Let me have your neck. I got you. There we go. And drop this one right in my hand. Nope. Got another one. Wheel your right big toe. There you go. I can tell when I get them and when I don't get them. So if I don't get them, I'll get them again. Okay. Now that'll straighten your act right out, won't it? Alright, let's have you come over here. Let me help you up sideways. Now remember, she's hurting literally from head to toe, so that's how we're going to treat her. Literally from head to toe, and I will be adjusting her feet as well. Okay. Come over here and you tell me. You still feeling that in your little back right now? Yeah.
Where do you want me?
That'll feel a lot better when it quits hurting though. Okay, it's cool in your stomach right here. Now, you can also see that she's got quite a bit of curvature over here too, which is scoliosis. The left side of her spine is much higher than the right side, which is her rib cage. Her legs are even, but then the left one gets short, and I bet you that tightens up right there, doesn't it? Okay, remember, put your face straight down in there for me, hon. Okay, we're going to adjust her left SI joint first. Then her sacrum on the left, sacrum in the center, sacrum on the right, the right SI joint, keep your face straight. Now L5, straight P to A, L4 a little bit more of an angle, L3 a little bit more of an angle. Now moving into her thoracolumbar spine now on the convex side of her scoliosis. I'm not, okay, breathe. I'm not really jumping on her because she's got some osteoporosis. Maybe you can feel those moving, huh? There we go. Okay, just relax there for a sec. There we go, okay. Keep breathing. So we're just gonna relax her paraspinal muscles here and get some blood flowing to them, as well as into her legs and her feet. This might tickle a little bit. Excuse me for a moment. For some reason my sinus has been going nuts. Past couple of weeks. Okay. So I'm using some hand sanitizer for all you. Okay, even, and this time they stay even. I bet you that felt a little easier. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna get your head down, neck. There we go. Okay, let's turn you on your back now. Feel a little taller yet? Okay. Slide down this way. There you go. Okay, if you can put your arms out like this for me, huh? There we go. There. So we're adjusting her ribs back in place because she's got that curvature, and you can see the left side is definitely sticking out more. Okay, now you know what we're doing now. Deep breath in. Let all your air out. So I'm going to grab her stomach and I'm going to pull it straight back down through the diaphragm. Okay, and again. Exhale. You put your hands up here and relax. No, don't clench up. Just you put them right here and relax. There we go. Keep exhaling. Okay, good. And one more time. Keep exhaling. Good. Okay. So Joseph, let's see if we can get a little closer here. I'm going to adjust your feet now. So, good. This little piggy went to market. Should have felt that all the way up in your lower back. There we go. Okay, that one good. Now, she stands on her feet, what, 7 to 10 hours a day? Okay, now let's go back on your tummy. I'm going to use the device on you. It's a real high-speed vibration device. It's called the Rapid Release Pro 2. This is great for people with plantar fasciitis, people that have fibrotic adhesions or scar tissue anywhere in their bodies. Now this probably will be ticklish, but your feet will feel a lot better when I get done. So we want to make sure we cover the origin and insertion of all the tendons on the foot and the fascia covering the muscles of the foot, bottom of the foot. Which if you get pain in the and trigger points in these muscles on the arch of your foot, That's what's called plantar fasciitis. Fasciitis just means inflammation of the fascia, or the covering of the muscle. Source right there, huh? Now, because she has a lot of fibrotic adhesion and scar tissue in and around this lumbosacral area that we just broke up with that ring dinger decompression adjustment, I'm going to do this over that area as well. And then, of course, on her kyphotic thoracic spine and the convexity scoliosis on this left side here as well. Can you feel the difference from side to side, Patricia? This side you feel more? Yeah. And then right here I'm getting right into her visceral, or her somatovisceral reflexes. These are probably going to be pretty tender right here. Right there especially. Is that more tender?
Oh, man.
This will reflex to her celiac plexus, and it will help her with her acid reflux and hiatal hernia. Ooh, boy. She's had problems before with the outsides of her thighs, so we'll get those as well. She's still a little tender too, aren't they? Alright. Okay, let's set you up and face towards Joseph here now. Well, you literally got adjusted from head to toe today, Patricia.
Okay.
Alright, let's check your shoulders here. There we go. There we go, good, okay. Now, let's get your elbows and your wrists. There, boy, you're popping all over today, aren't you? It's like a bowl of Rice Krispies. I'm just pouring on the milk. Hand stiff. Is this the one you use on the register a lot?
No.
No, you use the right one? Okay. So you start using the left one more. Let's stand you up here in front of the mirror so I can shoot you now after all that. Alright. Well, you're already standing up straighter. Okay, let's flex your head forward and backwards again. That's a better range of motion too. But see how you're still a little bit right. So pull these guys up and hold them there for me. Yep. Bring your hands way back here like this. We're going to bring the head straight back, and then we're going to translate you left because you're already right. Shift your pelvis to the right. Look up at the ceiling. Tap there. There, okay. Now let's try that same thing again where you go forward and backwards. Neutral. That's a little better. Alright. So would you mind sharing with our YouTube subscribers how it feels to get adjusted literally from head to toe?
Pretty good. Pretty good.
And you come in here because it keeps you going, right?
Oh, yes, absolutely.
Yep.
Can't be missing.
Yep. Well, you do sometimes, but that's all right. We forgive you.
This time.
Now, that's the great thing about our office is patients can come and go as they please. We don't put people on big, long treatment programs like a lot of chiropractors do. Short term, we like to get people fixed up so they can live their lives. All right, so this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and Patricia and Joseph and Renee coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see you next time.